Welcome to Tech Tomorrow, the podcast where we explore the cutting edge of technology and its impact on our future. I'm your host, Emma Reynolds, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of robotics and artificial intelligence. Joining us is Dr. Alex Martinez, a leading expert in AI and robotics. Welcome, Dr. Martinez.
Thank you for having me. I'm excited to be here.
Let's start with the basics. Dr. Martinez, can you explain the difference between robotics and artificial intelligence?
Of course. Robotics involves the design, construction, and operation of robots, which are machines capable of carrying out a series of actions autonomously or semi-autonomously. Artificial intelligence, on the other hand, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in computers, enabling them to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. While robotics and AI are distinct fields, they often intersect, especially in the development of intelligent robots.
So, in essence, AI can be seen as the brain of a robot, while the robot is the body?
Exactly. AI provides the cognitive functions that allow robots to make decisions and perform complex tasks.
What are some of the most exciting current applications of robotics and AI that you're seeing?
There are so many fascinating applications. In healthcare, for instance, robots assist in surgeries with precision that surpasses human capabilities. AI algorithms are used to diagnose diseases from medical images more accurately than ever before. In manufacturing, robots are improving efficiency and safety. We also see AI in everyday applications like virtual assistants, personalized recommendations, and even self-driving cars.
It sounds like these technologies are already making a significant impact. What about in our homes? How are robotics and AI changing our daily lives?
In our homes, we're seeing the rise of smart home devices that use AI to learn our habits and preferences. Robots like vacuum cleaners and lawn mowers are becoming common, making household chores easier. Personal AI assistants like smart speakers help us manage our schedules, control smart home devices, and provide information quickly.
Looking ahead, what are some of the most exciting developments we can expect in the next decade?
One of the most exciting prospects is the advancement of autonomous vehicles. We're moving towards a future where self-driving cars could drastically reduce traffic accidents and transform our transportation systems. In healthcare, AI will continue to revolutionize diagnostics, personalized medicine, and patient care. Additionally, social robots are being developed to provide companionship and assistance, particularly for the elderly and people with disabilities.
That sounds incredible. What are some of the challenges we need to overcome to achieve these advancements?
There are several challenges, including technical hurdles like improving the reliability and safety of AI systems. Ethical considerations are also paramount. We need to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly. Privacy concerns, bias in AI algorithms, and the potential impact on employment are issues that society needs to address. Lastly, regulatory frameworks need to catch up with the pace of technological advancement to ensure safe and equitable deployment.
You mentioned ethics and societal impact. Can you elaborate on some of the ethical dilemmas we face with AI and robotics?
Certainly. One major concern is bias in AI, where algorithms can perpetuate or even exacerbate existing biases in society if they're trained on biased data. There's also the issue of job displacement, as automation could potentially lead to significant changes in the labor market. Ensuring that AI respects user privacy and doesn't infringe on individual rights is another critical concern. It's important for developers, policymakers, and society as a whole to work together to address these issues.
How can we ensure that the benefits of AI and robotics are distributed fairly across society?
This requires a multifaceted approach. Education and reskilling programs can help workers transition to new roles in an automated world. Inclusive design practices can ensure that AI systems serve diverse populations equitably. Policymakers need to create regulations that promote fairness and transparency. Finally, fostering open dialogue between technologists, ethicists, and the public can help align AI development with societal values.
Thank you, Dr. Martinez, for sharing your insights on the future of robotics and AI. It's clear that while there are challenges ahead, the potential benefits are immense. As we continue to develop these technologies, it's crucial to approach them thoughtfully and ethically.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing these important topics.
And thank you to our listeners for tuning into Tech Tomorrow. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to subscribe and join us next time as we explore more innovations shaping our future. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring the possibilities of tomorrow.